Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing a process video for Story Kit Crush, and I've been working on crushing Ali Edwards' Friends story kit, and this layout will be going into my 6x8 story album. I've actually already made a couple of spreads featuring the Friends story kit without process videos, so if you're interested in seeing how those turned out, you can head over to my Instagram page, and I have in the highlights section, I have a Story Kit Crush tab that you can click on to look at all the images. So here I'm starting off with 4 photos of me and my friends in university, and the 3 on the left-hand side are 5.5 inches wide, and I cropped them down so that all 3 of them could fit on this base page, which is about the same size as one of the story album page protectors. And the photo on the right side of the page is 4x6, so that I can fit that as well as another 4x6 card just above that. So for the left side of the page, I'm going to decorate that strip down on the left side with this chipboard piece that says friendship over and over again, as well as these 2 circle chipboard pieces with the flowers in them, and I thought that created a nice edge for the left side of my page. And on the top part of this right side, I'm going to have an interactive element. So this quote card is going to be able to flip up, and that will reveal 2 of these 3x4 pocket cards, as well as this journaling card here. So I've already printed out my journaling on some clear sticker paper, and that will help me position the typing just right between the lines that are already on this journaling card. And after I've adhered my journaling, I'm just going to take my bone folder and burnish this down just all over the area with the sticker paper. I just find that this helps the sticker paper be a bit more clear so that it's not cloudy underneath it. I typed out the names of all of my friends who appear in these photos onto a scrap of sticker paper. And because the finish on this sticker paper is glossy, I didn't want just part of that journaling card to be glossy, and instead I want that whole fill in the blank section to be glossy. So I just trimmed off another scrap of sticker paper just so that I can fit it into that area that's uncovered on the right, so that the whole fill in the blank area is glossy and not just the left half of it. For that other 3x4 journaling card, I'm just going to layer one of these circle stickers, the one that says BFF, on top of that striped banner sticker, and then put this onto the journaling card. I think this journaling card was meant for actual journaling because it does have the dotted lines across the card. However, I saw this as a more decorative element, so that's why I decided to use this more as a decoration filler card instead of putting journaling on it. Next, I'm just going to make my hinge for my flip out portion, and this is just a piece of white cardstock that measures approximately 1 inch by 6 inches, so that when I score it down the middle, that creates a 1/2 inch on either side. And I'm just going to fold this in half and cover all of 4 sides with some score tape. This is 3/8 of an inch score tape. And I just like using score tape for these interactive elements because I find it holds up really well and nothing ever gets unstuck from the page. Next, I'm just going to remove the tape backing off of the bottom half of the inside of this paper hinge. And this is where I'm going to attach that journaling card with the typing on it. And to attach this journaling card, I'm just making sure that I have my hinge in kind of a folded position first before I attach my journaling card inside. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I found that if you adhere the journaling card too close to the fold line, sometimes it doesn't give the paper enough room to fold down. So by keeping the hinge in kind of a closed position while you adhere the journaling card, you kind of alleviate that problem. Next, I'm going to fold this hinge down, and then once it's in the folded position, I'm going to peel off that tape backing from the front of that hinge and attach my front pocket card. So this is that 4x6 journaling card with the quote on it. And after that, I'm going to open this hinge again and peel off the tape backing from the top half of the inside of the hinge and attach these 2 3x4 journaling cards. So because this is also going to attach onto the back of that quote card, I'm also going to use some Topomono permanent adhesive tape runner onto the back of this journaling card so that I can stick that down to the quote card as well. And again, I'm trying to keep the hinge in a somewhat closed position while I'm attaching these journaling cards so that I don't attach the cards too close to the fold line there. And now that that's done, I can attach both of my elements onto my base page. So here I'm just using the Tombow Mono permanent adhesive tape runner again, and just gluing these down so that they're straight on the page. Once that's done, I'm just going to move to the left side of my page and adhere my 3 photos down in a strip, making sure that I have enough room on the left side for my chipboard piece. I'm just using my Tim Holtz ruler to make sure that this chipboard piece is centered onto the left side of the page, and then I'm just going to attach these 2 circle chipboard pieces as well. Here I was trying to decide whether I wanted a chipboard piece on the bottom of that quote card there, and I ultimately decided not to do that, but I did decide to stick some of these circle sticker pieces onto each of my photos. So the bottom one there has a circle that says best days, the middle one has one that says true friend, and then the top one says I love this. With this leftover circle sticker that has the polka dots in it, I decided to cut it in half so that I can use that as a little tab for my flip out. So I'm going to put half of the tab on the inside of that flip out and the other half on the outside. And that way the 2 halves of the circle adhere to each other, and that creates a little tab for my flip out. To finish off my spread, I have a couple of these puffy heart stickers from Ali Edwards' Storytelling Basics collection. So I'm using a couple of them on the front of this quote card. At first I was going to use this blue one, but it stood out a bit too much on the front of this journaling card, so I did decide to switch it out with a pink one later on. And I'm sticking that chipboard piece that says I love this friendship on the bottom of our grad photo there. So here you'll see me relocate that navy blue heart sticker onto the inside of this flip out. And it goes a lot better with the inside of this card just because the blue kind of matches the blue on my So Thankful for These Friends card. And then on the outside of this card, instead I'll have a pink heart, which matches all the pink that's going on the front of this spread. So here's a quick look at my finished spread. If you'd like to see some close-ups, I do have some photos on Instagram. So make sure to head over there to check things out. And make sure to give this video a like if you liked this video, and make sure to subscribe for more process videos as well. Thanks for watching.